guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David here, and guess what? Today we're going to see the latest attraction right here in Four Ways Mall, which is this big plane here, guys. Again, stay tuned because once again this video will blow your mind. We're getting there now. So this thing is huge. My lord. Very interesting. Let's see this. A great initiative, actually. Seems like the airplane was completely revamped. This has been in the making, I guess. I was checking videos on YouTube and this goes as back as 8 years ago. Very interesting, eh? Okay, good, interesting, I guess. Well accomplished. I don't know. They can rent a place to drop some work events here, I guess. The toilet. There's also first of all, they put all this thing here in. See if I can go through this. That was quick. Just see this here. Make sure I got everything. That was a quick slide. Another excuse you guys have to come to Four Ways Mall. Very nice, I like it. Okay, coolio. There's it. It's underneath the plane to see if there is something here to see. Okay. There's some swings here also. There's a timeline for the airplane day. See what else is there here to see. A unique idea, especially here in our country. Very interesting. I like to see crazy the hydraulics inside of this. Look at that hydraulic airplane. Well, this is what I actually came down, guys. Interesting. Yeah, I think this is very well. It's interesting. Have you guys been here? Let me know down below, guys. Actually an amazing place, eh? This thing is huge, eh? Swing there, two swings, and a big swing. I actually loved what they did here with all this, with the Joburg skyline, eh? Look at this. Really cool, eh? Guys, being this the biggest mall in South Africa, this type of ideas is amazing. Let's bring people run inside of the mall, do big events, you know, like exercising events. I don't know, so much we can do around here, you know. Look at the size of the wheels. Okay, we can also see the hydraulic suspension from this side. Look at this. Crazy, eh? Airplane maintenance goes a long way. Very interesting. Should have like painted a little bit more inside, but it's fine. Details. Sure, the airplane literally has 37 years old. 38. Great idea, instead of discarding the whole airplane, give it a new lease of life. Look at this. Produced in Washington. Boeing, the sky is the limit, yeah? So her first mission begins fresh from the Boeing production line. She joined Western Airline transporting passengers across the United States. Following an airline merger, she is relocated to Delta Airlines, continuing service across domestic US routes under the registration December 2006, Air Tanzania East Africa. Her journey takes her across the Atlantic to Africa, where she becomes a 5H MVV and begins regional service with Air Tanzania. December 2008, Star Air South Africa. She enters the service in South Africa as ZSSHL, operating regional charter routes. And Blue Sky Airways Botswana, now registered as A2FMX. She is acquired for charter service, however Botswana aviation laws prohibited commercial aircraft older than 22 years, and at 24 she is officially grounded. Retired from active duty, the aircraft is preserved and installed indoors at Fourways Mall, one of the only full-size commercial aircraft to be displayed inside a shopping mall in the world. She is no longer soars through clouds. Her final mission is to take flight in the imagination of shoppers at Fourways Mall. Interesting. She's got a coffee and now there is this chill out there next to the airplane. Cool, love it. Guys, it's the end of the video. Make sure you share, subscribe and destroy that like button. I will see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.